Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So once again, heartily welcome to my viewers. So in this video, you can see the update of JNTUH. You can see update JNTUH. Let's see what's inside. So title JNTUH timetable third year first semester R18 regular examination. Regular second midterm examination January 2022 in offline mode. In bracket you can see in offline mode. So let's see what's timetable is there. So this is the timetable of JNTU Hyderabad of third year BTech first semester R18 regulation second midterm examination January 2022 in offline mode in bracket timetable. Okay, now this is our first row of time is fn first forenoon 9:40 to 11 a.m. In bracket you can see descriptive time, sorry, descriptive exam, and 9:40 to 10:40, this is for descriptive exam, and objective exam 10:40 to 11 a.m. Next an means afternoon 1:40 to 3 p.m. And in bracket descriptive exam is 1:40 to 2:40, and objective exam is 2:40 to 3 p.m. So this is a timing. Now let's see what exam are there. So branch first civil engineering 10th January 2022 forenoon Monday structural analysis. On afternoon 10th January 2022 Monday geotechnical engineering. 11th January structural engineering forenoon. 11th January Tuesday transportation engineering afternoon. 12th January concrete technology, theory of elasticity or rock mechanics, uh, forenoon. Now next 12th January Wednesday afternoon engineering economics and accountancy machinery common to in bracket CE and MME. Now next electrical and electronics engineering power electronics. Now you can see the dates date wise 10th 11th 12th, only 3 days are there. So first two are 10th, next two 11th, and next 12th. So let's see first power electronics power system 2 measurements and instrumentation, business economics and financial analysis common to in bracket triple E ME ECE EIE MCT AE. Next, computer architecture, high voltage engineering, electrical machine design. Now next, mechanical engineering, dynamics of machinery common to in bracket ME MCT, design of machine members 1, metrology and machine tools, business economics and financial analysis common to in bracket triple E ME ECE EIE MCT AE, thermal energy 2, operations research. Now next, this is ECE, Electronics Communication and Engineering, Microprocessor and Microcontrollers common to in bracket ECE EIE, Data Communications and Networks Control Systems common to in bracket ECE and EIE, Business Economics and Financial Analysis common to in bracket triple E ME ECE EIE MCT AE, Error Correcting Codes, Electronic Measurements and Instrumentation, Computer Organization and Operating Systems. Now CSC, Computer Science and Engineering, Formal Languages and Automata Theory common to in bracket CSE and IT. Next, Software Engineering common to in bracket CSE IT, Computer Networks, Web Technologies, Information Theory and Coding, Advanced Computer Architecture common to in bracket CSE IT, Data Analytics common to in bracket CSE IT, Image Processing common to in bracket CSE IT, Principles of programming languages common to in bracket CSCIT. Computer graphics common to in bracket CSCIT. Advanced operating systems common to in bracket CSCIT. Informational retrieval systems, distributed databases, natural language processing. Now next, e- electronics and instrumentation engineering, EIE. Microprocessor and microcontrollers common to in bracket ECE and EIE. Process dynamics and control systems common to in bracket ECE, EIE. Business economics and financial analysis common to in bracket triple E, ME, ECE, EIE, MCT, AE. Instrumentation practices in industries, operating systems, robotics and automation. Automation. Okay. Wait. One, two. Now this information technology, formal languages and automata theory common to in bracket CSCIT, software engineering common to in bracket CSCIT, data communication and computer networks, web programming, biometrics, advanced computer architecture common to in bracket CSCIT, data analytics common to in bracket CSCIT, principles of programming languages common to in bracket CSCIT, data database security, advanced operating systems common to in bracket CSCIT, machine learning, pattern recognition, computer graphics common to in bracket CSCIT. Now next, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, MECT, dynamics of machinery common to ME in bracket MCT, CAD slash CAM, CAD slash CAM, mechanical measurements and control system, business economics and financial analysis common to triple E, ME, ECE, EIE, MCT, AE, manufacturing process and machine tools, principles of machine design, and next metallurgy and material engineering, MME, non-ferrous extractive metallurgy, environmental degradation of materials, mechanical working of metals, powder metallurgy, nuclear materials, fatigue and fracture mechanics, engineering, economics, and accountancy common to in bracket CEMME. Now this is the last page. You can see aeronautical engineering, aircraft propulsion, high-speed aerodynamics, finite element methods, business economics, and financial analysis common to triple E, ME, CE, AIE, MCT, AE, aircraft systems and controls, aircraft performance and stability, mining engineering, introduction to industrial engineering, mine environmental engineering to mine mechanization to surface mining technology, environmental management in mines, tunneling engineering, mining of deep-seated deposits, petroleum engineering, instrumentation and process control, drilling technology, thermodynamics for petroleum engineers, fundamentals of management for engineers, well logging and formation evaluation, health safety and environment in petroleum engineering. Sorry, in petroleum industry, information technology and engineering, formal languages and automata theory, software engineering, computer networks, scripting languages, data science, soft computing, biometrics, object oriented analysis and design, computer graphics, distributed databases, artificial intelligence, databases security, software reliability, principles of programming languages. So this is the full timetable from JNTUH third year first semester BTech R18 regulation, second midterm examination January 2022. You can see the full timetable. You can take a screenshot. Now you can take a screenshot. Now next, for safety purpose, you can take screenshot for future. Now next, so now this is the last one. Okay. So this is the update from JNTUH. So please like the video, share the video with your friends, with your colleagues, and support my channel, and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, comment what you want to hear from my channel, what you want to hear from me. Please support my channel, please like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates like this update, like JNTUH updates, JNTUA updates, JNTUK updates, government job updates. So many updates are there in my channel, so many topics are there. So you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So thank you friends for watching my video and supporting my channel, and stay safe, stay crack.